Hi guys, welcome back to Top Gossip 24. And guys, we just had a news that the Igbo king has been arrested, and we are not fully sure about that one. And guys, I want to welcome you back again to Top Gossip 24. And we're not really sure about whether the Igbo king has been arrested or not. And like no other social medias are going to be saying he's arrested, but we're going to be listening to a guy that said the Igbo king has been arrested. So guys, let's go watch that video.
Breaking news, breaking news. Igbo king in Ghana has been arrested. Yes, Igbo king in Ghana has been arrested. Earlier today at 3 p.m. and a papano, BNI and any national security, Echo picking up and Timika say the man, Dr. Chukudi, is in custody, is in the custody of the BNI. Several charges have been brought against him. Now, questioner, a man for Ebisani say, why am yakochi papa we? Nipa wama yakochi papa we and net 3 p.m. And a friend of Dr. Hassan Ayariga. Dr. Hassan Ayariga is the presidential candidate and the founder of the All People's Congress. He has triggered the arrest of the Igbo king, the so-called Igbo king, the arrogant Igbo king, the criminal Igbo king in Ghana. And so as I'm speaking, he is currently in detention in BNI cells. Several attempts by Nigerian High Commissioner and Ambassador to Ghana to get him bail has proven futile. Dr. Hassan said, and Papano, onini bedini yepa for causing unnecessary tension and unrest in the country. And so several charges have been brought against Dr. Chukudi. The lawyers of Mr. Dr. Hassan Yariga earlier stormed the BNI facility with their charges against the man. Well, this man has been parading. Dr. Chukudi has been parading as a very powerful man in Ghana. He's been parading as someone who has bribed all our leaders, who has bought the conscience of all our leaders. But in the forest of hopelessness comes an oasis of hope. And that hope is Dr. Hassan Ayariga. Dr. Nyanko Ponchirao, you have listened to the cry of the Ghanaian people. You have proven again, times and again, that you are a true Ghanaian who stands for the true values of our land. And we are looking forward for the true and the full dealings on this case. At the end of this video, I'm going to play the call I placed earlier to Dr. Hassan Ayariga following the arrest of the Igbo king in Ghana. Stay tuned and let me update you on everything that has to do with this Igbo king in Ghana. Just stay tuned. Now, listen to the voice. Listen to the voice.
The fact of the matter is that he's still with the national security. So he's denied that he has not bought land. But I said no. But the fact of the matter is that whether he has bought land or not, we'll investigate. But the most important thing is that they should strip him off of calling himself a king in Ghana. And then I will get evidence of his illegal activities and send to them. And because he went there with his embassy people, the embassy has followed him, the lawyers have followed him, so that they are not able to detain him. But I said they should keep him there till tomorrow.
Good. Honorable.
Yes.
I want to thank you very much for this a very important step you have taken to redeem the image of this country at this point.
Thank you.
In fact, this arrest is to the interest of all of us, and
yes,
possibly among other things, this man has.
I believe guys just watched the video, and guys, I have something little to say from a little article. It also says it reads, we want to clarify that so-called the Igbo king in Ghana has not been arrested. However, he is facing serious rejection from local traditional authorities and the Ghanaian public, who says he has no legal or cultural right to install himself as a king on Ghanaian land. This issue is not about ethnicity, it's about respecting the laws, customs, and sovereign structures of Ghana. So we fully don't even know whether he has been arrested or not, but we are just hearing some rumors about him that he's just going to be arrested and so many things coming on. So we're just gonna stay tuned, and if we had anything a little thing about him, we're gonna send it to you guys back. Bye bye.